Hello and welcome, my dear friend. I'm sure you've felt it. You're on the verge of a significant change in your life. Let me assure you, God is about to bless you with the life you were truly meant to live. That's why you're here today. You were destined to watch this video because you're finally ready. You've been preparing your whole life for a breakthrough, and it's about to unfold. You're shifting from wanting to having, from chasing your dreams to truly living them. In this video, you'll discover how to align your energy with your desires, unlock the flow of abundance that's waiting for you, and step fully into your power as a co-creator with God. Trust me, what you're about to learn could be the key to everything you've been hoping for. If you're truly a chosen one, you'll want to stay until the end, because what I'm about to share will resonate deeply with your soul. And here's a powerful way to signal to the universe that you're ready. Comment 777 below. By doing this, you're declaring that you're open, aligned, and prepared to receive the abundance that awaits you. Let's embrace this moment together, because your time is now, and you're finally ready for your wonderful new life. The energy of desire. At the core of human experience lies the powerful force of desire. As chosen ones, we know that desire isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's the recognition of the gap between where we are and where we feel called to be. This gap often generates feelings of restlessness or longing, as though the very things we yearn for, be it a loving relationship, financial stability, or a sense of peace, are just out of reach. But remember, desire in itself is not negative. It is, in fact, a driving force in the universe. Without desire, growth and change wouldn't happen. Your desires, whether they're quiet wishes or passionate goals, are seeds being sown into the energetic field of the universe. The moment you want something, a process is set in motion, moving you toward manifestation. The problem many face is remaining in a state of wanting, which creates a loop of dissatisfaction. Every time you think, "I need this," or "I want that," you're signaling to the universe that you are lacking, which keeps those very desires distant. The key lies in understanding that desire is merely the starting point. It's not enough to want something. You must energetically align yourself with the idea that it is already yours. As chosen ones, our role is to move beyond merely wishing and step into our power as co-creators with God. Rather than waiting passively, we need to align ourselves with the vibration of having our desires already realized. From wanting to receiving. This is where the true transformation happens, when we shift from wanting something to receiving it energetically. This isn't just about thinking positively, it's about transforming your core beliefs and habits to match the energy of what you desire. Notice how often you catch yourself saying, "I wish I had this," or "I really need that." These are not just idle thoughts, but declarations of lack. By consistently focusing on what you don't have, you reinforce the reality that it's missing from your life. And as the universe responds to your energetic state, it continues to mirror that scarcity back to you. But what happens when you switch your mindset from wanting to receiving? You begin to send a new message to the universe, one of abundance. Instead of constantly chasing your desires, you start to embody the feeling that they are already within your reach. Making this mental shift requires mindfulness. Start by noticing when thoughts of lack arise and consciously reframing them. For example, replace "I need more money" with "I'm grateful for the abundance flowing into my life." Even if you don't yet see it in your physical reality, trust that it's already manifesting on a spiritual level. This isn't about tricking yourself into believing something false. It's about aligning with a deeper truth. The moment you desire something, it exists on a spiritual plane. Your task is to match your energy with that reality, so it can manifest into the physical world. Gratitude plays a vital role in this shift. When you express gratitude for what you have, you signal to the universe that you are already abundant. This creates a powerful, energetic shift, pulling more of what you desire into your life. Visualization and embodiment. Another powerful practice in shifting from wanting to receiving is visualization. Each day, take a few moments to picture yourself living the reality you dream of. See yourself in that dream home. Feel the joy of the fulfilling relationship you desire, or imagine experiencing the financial freedom you've longed for. Let yourself fully experience the emotions of having already achieved it. When you engage in this visualization practice, you're training your subconscious mind to accept these experiences as your reality. The subconscious doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. So by frequently visualizing your desires, you condition your mind to believe it's already yours. This shift in belief is critical to allowing your desires to materialize in the physical realm. Once your subconscious mind accepts that your desires are a part of your reality, your energy aligns with that frequency, and the universe responds accordingly. Another aspect of this shift is to begin acting as though your desires are already fulfilled. This doesn't mean making irresponsible decisions or living beyond your means, but rather embodying the energy of the person who already has what they desire. How would you carry yourself if you already had the financial success, the love, or the inner peace you seek? Start embodying that energy now, and watch how quickly things begin to shift. God's timing is always perfect. One of the most challenging aspects of manifestation is surrendering to divine timing. As chosen ones, we must remember that the universe operates on a timeline that often differs from our own expectations. While we might crave immediate results, the universe is carefully orchestrating events, aligning them for the perfect moment of manifestation. When you're caught in a cycle of wanting, it's easy to obsess over the timing, constantly asking, "When will it happen?" or "Why is it taking so long?" This kind of urgency only creates more resistance and keeps you stuck in frustration. But when you shift into the energy of receiving, you begin to trust the process. You let go of the need to control how and when your desires will manifest. Instead of wondering when, you affirm that it's already done, and I trust it will appear at the perfect moment. This shift is essential for removing the energetic resistance that blocks manifestation. By trusting in divine timing, you allow things to unfold naturally, without the force or anxiety that can delay the process. The universe is constantly working behind the scenes to bring your desires into reality, often in ways you can't see or understand. Sometimes, what seems like a delay is actually the universe preparing something even greater for you. A perceived setback may be a necessary setup for something beyond what you could have imagined. Instead of becoming discouraged when things don't happen immediately, use this time to deepen your faith and trust in the divine process. While waiting for your desires to come to fruition, continue living in the energy of having. Celebrate small wins and signs of progress, knowing they are indications that you're on the right track. The universe is always giving you feedback. It's up to you to recognize the signs and stay aligned with the flow. Embodying faith and gratitude. Faith is a core principle in manifestation. It's not about merely hoping that your desires will come to pass, but confidently knowing that they already have. When you operate from the energy of having, you're telling the universe that you believe in the fulfillment of your desires, even if you don't see them in the physical realm yet. This is where many people falter. When results don't appear as quickly as they expect, they lose faith. But remember, faith is not based on what we see. It's rooted in belief. The fact that you don't see your desires yet doesn't mean they aren't manifesting. The universe is always working in ways you can't perceive, aligning circumstances, people, and opportunities to bring your desires into form. Gratitude is another powerful tool that fuels this alignment. When you focus on gratitude, you shift your attention away from what's missing and toward the abundance already present in your life. This energetic shift naturally aligns you with the vibration of receiving, allowing your desires to flow into your life more easily. Even if your desires haven't manifested yet, there is always something to be grateful for. Gratitude raises your vibration, helping you align with the energy of abundance and speeding up the process of manifestation. Stepping into your true power. Chosen ones, you are not here to live in a state of lack or unfulfilled desires. You are meant to embrace your divine role as a co-creator with God, stepping into the energy of having and claiming what is already yours. The moment you shift from wanting to receiving, everything begins to change. Instead of chasing after your dreams, they start to come to you naturally. Remember, the universe is always responding to your energetic state. When you align with the energy of having, you close the gap between your desires and their manifestation. Your job is to remain in this frequency, trusting in divine timing and embodying faith and gratitude. This is your time. You are shifting from wanting to having, and the universe is ready to deliver everything you've been waiting for. Stay aligned, keep the faith, and watch as your desires unfold in beautiful, unexpected ways. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and continue your transformational journey by watching one of the videos on your screen that resonates with you. See you there.